How do we convert sunlight into electricity? We all know the photovoltaic solar panels. They are efficient and sustainable. The downside is that it's expensive to manufacture and it uses silicon, which is the second most abundant material on Earth. An alternative is a dye-sensitized solar cell, which is cheaper and suitable for indoor use, though less efficient. A key drawback is their limited stability due to dye degradation from sunlight and heat. Now, how does it work? The light coming from a source kicks out an electron from the dye. The electron travels through the circuit from the anode to the cathode and then is regenerated by the electrolyte in the dye. This raises a question: which dye delivers the best performance? Is it synthetic dyes or natural dyes? That's what we are about to find out.